Hey kids, I'm here to help you with your morning meeting at home. We're going to do our letter sounds the same way we did them in the classroom. To review this week, we are going to say the letter name before we make the sound. So get ready, just like you would on the rug every morning. I'm watching you. Here we go. W says W. V says V. Z says Z. S says S. U-N-G says ung. I-N-G says ing. N says n. B says b. G says g. And G says j. D says d. T says t. X says x. P says p. M says S-H says sh. E magic E says E. I magic E says I. O magic E says O. U magic E says U. A magic E says A. I says I. Remember your hand motions. R says R. F says F. L says O. Q, U says Qu. J says J. Y says Y. T, H says Th. C, H says Ch. W, H says W. C says K. And C says S. K says K. A-N-G says ang. A says A. U says O says ah. E says eh. Y says I. And Y says E. And Y says I. H says H. Good job, little sheepdogs. Join me for the blending board next.